Hello again everyone, this is Shweta and today I am excited to discuss about 4Life's transfer factor trifactor formula. Your immune system is your body's version of military that helps you protect against pathogens like bacteria, viruses or other microorganisms that can cause diseases. Your body is engaged in a never-ending battle. The immune system is a complex fighting system powered by 5 liters of blood and a colorless fluid called as lymph. Together, these two fluids transport all the elements of the immune system so that they can do their jobs. To handle these pathogens, your immune system is divided into 3 layers of defense. The immune system is different from all the other systems we have in our body. It's not a specific tissue organ system kind of a system. Instead, it involves a whole bunch of different tissues, groups, organ systems and specialized but widely distributed defense cells. Together, this league of extraordinary substances joins forces to perform all the defense functions your body depends on to keep you alive in this incredibly germy world. If your immune system works the way as it should, you will feel like you are at the top of the world. If you want your immune system to perform at its best, unlock the power of messenger molecules called as transfer factors. Now, Dr. H. Sherwood Lawrence discovered transfer factor molecules in 1949. 4Life chairman of the board, David Lisenby, learned about transfer factors as a part of his own personal health research. 4Life secures patents that protect the process of transfer factors derived from cow colostrum and chicken egg yolks. Transfer factors work in a very unique way. They educate your immune cells to prepare your body for the unexpected. When a transfer factor molecule meets the immune cells, a biological reaction occurs. Transfer factor transfer knowledge to immune cells. More than likely, your body will work properly, and for this, we have 4Life transfer factor trifactor formula, which is superpower of immune support. A healthy life requires a healthy immune system. There is no getting around that. 4Life transfer factor trifactor formula brings together 4Life transfer factor and the intuition of nanofactor to extract, more effectively recognize, respond to it quickly and efficiently, and remember the threat next time it comes around. From now on, that immune cell will devote rest of its life in searching and removing the specific threats. Your body needs a continuous supplies of transfer factor education to stay ahead of the threats that you face. 4Life has spent years perfecting the art of transfer factor science. 4Life transfer factor products are patented, proprietary and powerfully effective. Transfer factor trifactor formula contains ingredients that are made by the immune system and for the immune system. It represents the revolutionary advancement in immune system science and dramatically raises the bar on support of your immune system health. Trifactor formula contains ultrafactor, ovofactor and nanofactor extract for the highest amount of 4Life transfer factor per serving, which is 600 milligrams. It educates, enhances and balances the immune system with the exclusive trifactor formula. To summarize, so 4Life transfer factor trifactor formula promotes the health of all your body system, gives supports for optimal energy levels, provides a proactive strategy to maintain your health. Transfer factors and nanofactor molecules can be shared safely and effectively. The serving size is 2 capsules daily with a glass of water, and the serving per container is 60 capsules. So this was all about 4Life's transfer factor trifactor formula. Many thanks for listening.